What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Underwrld by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. If you need the guitar tab for this, you can find it in the video description, as well as if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Both of those are 100% free. They're just there for your convenience. So if you need either of those, check the video description once you get done. They are there for you. We're going to start with a little picking pattern that kind of repeats throughout the entire song. You put your index finger on the 3rd fret of your A string, your middle finger 4th fret on the G string, then your ring finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And the way you're picking that is going to be A, G, B, G, A, B, G. And then you take your index finger off of the A string and play it open. So it looks like So again, slowly. One more time. From there, you're keeping your middle and your ring finger exactly where it is, and you're picking B, A, G, A, B, A, G. So from the top, again, that second one is B, A, G, A, B, A, G. So that's the picking pattern. If you want to play the chords and just want to strum through the chords out the entire song, they're pretty simple. It's just F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Bar chord, you bar the 1st fret with your index finger. Ring and pinky finger are on A and D on the 3rd fret. Middle finger is on the 2nd fret on the G string. And there's only one more chord after that. It's an A minor. It's 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Middle finger, 2nd fret, D string. Ring finger, 2nd fret, G string. Index finger, 1st fret, B string. Once you get those chords down, the strumming pattern that I think fits the best is going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.